In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find this app called File Manager that's located in SystemApps folder on your XIAOMI. After you find it, click on it. Hit Agree at the bottom right corner and choose Allow. Then hit Allow All. Tap on Browse after selecting Consent. Browse is located at the bottom right corner, and from here click on Download folder. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are over here. Now, to open one, click on it. To manage one, use all of those options at the bottom, or hold one of your files, pick all of those you wanna manage, and manage them thanks to those options at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!